10 Best Places to Visit in South Africa. Hello, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Travel Treasures, your ultimate destination for travel inspiration. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey to the mesmerizing land of diversity, South Africa. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant cultures, this country has it all. So, grab your virtual passports, and let's explore the 10 best places to visit in South Africa. Number 1. Table Mountain. Table Mountain, proudly overlooking the vibrant city of Cape Town, stands as a timeless sentinel of natural grandeur in South Africa. This iconic flat-topped mountain is more than just a geological marvel, it's a symbol of South African heritage and resilience. With its rugged cliffs and cascading clouds, Table Mountain offers an awe-inspiring panoramic view of the city below and the vast Atlantic Ocean stretching into the horizon. Visitors are enthralled by the ever-changing play of light and shadow on its slopes, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Adventurous souls ascend via the rotating cable car, marveling at the sprawling cityscape and the vast expanse of the ocean. Table Mountain isn't merely a destination, it's an experience that captures the essence of South Africa's natural beauty, leaving an indelible mark on all who are fortunate enough to witness its majesty. Number 2. Kruger National Park. Nestled in the northeastern corner of South Africa, Kruger National Park stands as a testament to the untamed beauty of the African wilderness. Spanning an immense 19,485 square kilometers, this iconic wildlife sanctuary is renowned globally for its incredible biodiversity. Home to the famed Big Five, lions, elephants, buffaloes, leopards, and rhinos, Kruger National Park offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. The park's diverse landscapes, from dense bushveld to meandering rivers, provide a haven for an array of wildlife, including zebras, giraffes, hippos, and numerous bird species. Guided game drives and bushwalks allow enthusiasts to immerse themselves in the sights and sounds of the wild, forging unforgettable memories. Beyond the wildlife, Kruger National Park is a sanctuary of serenity, where the rustle of the wind through the acacia trees and the distant roar of a lion create a symphony of nature. Number 3. Robben Island. Robben Island, a tiny yet historically significant island located in Table Bay, off the coast of Cape Town, stands as a poignant symbol of South Africa's struggle for freedom and social justice. The island's history is deeply intertwined with the country's political evolution, particularly during the era of apartheid. For decades, Robben Island served as a maximum security prison, where political dissidents, most notably Nelson Mandela, were incarcerated. Mandela spent 18 years of his 27-year prison sentence on this isolated island. Today, Robben Island has been transformed into a living museum, offering visitors a somber yet inspiring glimpse into South Africa's turbulent past. Guided tours lead visitors through the prison facilities, including Mandela's austere cell, providing a visceral understanding of the harsh conditions endured by the inmates. Beyond its historical significance, Robben Island is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its cultural and natural importance. The island is home to diverse bird species and unique marine life, making it a site of ecological importance in addition to its historical relevance. Number 4. Garden Route. The Garden Route, a stretch of coastal paradise along the southeastern coast of South Africa, is a breathtaking odyssey through nature's wonders. This scenic route, Flanked by the Indian Ocean on one side and the Tsitsikama and Outaniqua mountain ranges on the other, offers a mesmerizing blend of lush forests, dramatic coastlines, and charming towns. Further along the route, the town of Nisna beckons with its famous lagoon and the imposing Nisna Heads, colossal sandstone cliffs guarding the entrance to the lagoon. Nature enthusiasts will find solace in the indigenous forests of wilderness, a serene destination with tranquil lakes, meandering rivers, and abundant birdlife. Continuing the journey, the town of Plettenberg Bay unfolds its pristine beaches and inviting ocean waters. Here, you can witness the awe-inspiring sight of dolphins playing in the surf and, during the right season, even spot majestic whales migrating along the coastline. The garden route isn't merely a route, it's a mosaic of experiences. Number 5. Blyde River Canyon. Nestled within the Mpumalanga province of South Africa, the Blyde River Canyon is a geological marvel that stands as one of the largest canyons in the world and one of Africa's most spectacular natural wonders. Carved over millennia by the Blyde River, the canyon stretches approximately 25 kilometers in length and plunges to depths of over 750 meters, offering awe-inspiring vistas and captivating beauty at every turn. What makes the Blyde River Canyon truly extraordinary are its towering cliffs, adorned with a vibrant array of colors. As you explore the canyon, you'll encounter numerous viewpoints that provide breathtaking panoramas of the meandering river below and the lush vegetation that lines its banks. The Blyde River Canyon isn't just a destination, it's a symphony of colors, textures, and natural wonders that captivate the senses and nourish the soul. Number 6. Soweto. Soweto, an acronym for Southwestern Townships, stands as a vibrant tapestry of South African history and culture, located on the outskirts of Johannesburg. This sprawling township is not merely a place, it's a testament to the resilience, spirit, and creativity of its people. Soweto holds a significant place in the country's struggle against apartheid, as it was a hotbed of anti-apartheid activism. Today, it's a thriving cultural hub, pulsating with life and energy. As you walk down this iconic street, you're immersed in a fusion of traditions, from lively shebeens, taverns, echoing with laughter and music to vibrant markets showcasing local crafts. Soweto offers a chance to delve into the heart of South African identity, where the past meets the present, and the indomitable spirit of its residents paints a vivid picture of hope, unity, and enduring strength. Number 7. Kango Caves, Oudtshoorn. Nestled within the majestic Drensburg Mountains near Oudtshoorn, the Kango Caves unveil a mesmerizing subterranean world of wonder. This ancient labyrinth of limestone caverns, adorned with intricate stalactite and stalagmite formations, stands as a testament to the passage of time and the forces of nature. Guided tours lead adventurous visitors through narrow passageways and vast chambers, unveiling the sheer magnificence of the underground landscape. The echo of footsteps mingles with the drip-drop of water, creating an eerie yet enchanting ambience. As beams of light penetrate the darkness, illuminating the exquisite formations, visitors are transported into a realm of fantasy and mystery. Each stalactite, delicately formed over millennia, tells a silent tale of patience and artistry, making the Kango Caves not just a geological marvel but also a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of the natural world. Exploring these ancient chambers is not just a journey beneath the surface, it's a voyage into the Earth's history, leaving visitors in awe of the intricate artistry that nature can create in the most hidden corners of our planet. Number 8. Drensburg Mountains. The Drensburg Mountains, also known as the Dragon Mountains, form a magnificent natural border between South Africa and the mountain kingdom of Lesotho. This awe-inspiring mountain range is a sanctuary of natural beauty, offering a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and nature lovers. Rising majestically, the Drensburg Mountains are a spectacle of towering peaks, lush valleys, cascading waterfalls, and high-altitude grasslands. The name Drensburg is derived from the Afrikaans and Dutch words for Dragon Mountains, a fitting title for this mythical landscape where clouds often cloak the jagged peaks, creating an enchanting, otherworldly atmosphere. Wildlife enthusiasts can marvel at the diverse fauna that inhabits the Drensburg region, including elands, baboons, and a variety of bird species. The Drensburg Mountains aren't just for adventurers, they're also a place of serenity and spiritual rejuvenation. Whether you're embarking on a challenging hike, marveling at the natural wonders, or simply reveling in the peace and quiet, the Drensburg Mountains offer an unforgettable experience that lingers in the hearts of those who have the privilege to explore its untamed beauty. Number 9. Boap. Boap, a lively neighborhood in Cape Town, South Africa, is a kaleidoscope of colors, culture, and history. Perched on the slopes of Signal Hill, this area is famous for its brightly painted houses, creating a picturesque scene against the backdrop of Table Mountain. Originally established as a community for Cape Malay slaves in the 18th century, Boap is a vibrant symbol of the city's cultural diversity. Wandering through the cobblestone streets of Boap is like stepping into a living canvas. Each house is painted in a different hue, representing the unique identity and heritage of its inhabitants. Beyond the colorful facades, Boap is a melting pot of cultures, where the rich traditions of the Cape Malay community blend seamlessly with the modern rhythms of Cape Town. Beyond its cultural significance, Boap is a symbol of unity and resilience. The neighborhood has faced challenges over the years, but its vibrant spirit and colorful facades stand as a testament to the strength of its community. Number 10. The Durban Beachfront. The Durban Beachfront, situated along the eastern coastline of South Africa, is a sun-kissed paradise that embodies the essence of coastal living. Stretching along the warm Indian Ocean, this bustling beachfront is a hub of activity and relaxation, drawing locals and tourists alike to its sandy shores. Golden beaches stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting visitors to bask in the sun, take leisurely strolls, or indulge in thrilling water sports. As the day transforms into evening, the beachfront comes alive with a kaleidoscope of colors as the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. In essence, Durban Beachfront is not just a beach, it's a lifestyle. It's a place where the sea sings a soothing melody, the sand welcomes weary feet, and the vibrant energy of the city harmonizes with the tranquility of the ocean, creating an unforgettable experience for everyone who graces its shores. And there you have it, fellow travelers, the 10 best places to visit in South Africa. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a nature enthusiast, this diverse country has something magical for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!